The financial industry is undergoing a fundamental transformation. Every financial decision is becoming smarter because it's powered by AI that learns, reasons, and acts like never before. This new industrial revolution of intelligence is being built, refined, and deployed at scale on a new kind of digital infrastructure, the AI Factory. These factories are helping to shape the world's financial future by manufacturing intelligence from data to improve every financial service. Breakthrough AI technologies are accelerating research and bringing transparency to trading, uncovering previously hidden investment signals to trade smarter and explore new financial opportunities, anytime, from anywhere. Industry innovators are delivering essential liquidity to global markets through world-class AI trading factories built for enhanced quantitative research and execution. Powerful AI tools are adding new levels of security, helping to spot threats before they happen and bringing peace of mind to every transaction. And innovations like agentic AI are giving customers more human ways to communicate with their most important data, making every interaction more natural and more personal. AI factories aren't just transforming financial services by helping firms reduce costs, manage risk, and explore new revenue opportunities. They're powering a new era of intelligence that lets you deliver better, smarter solutions for customers everywhere.